and the L-39s and the Alpha Jets, all from Polaris again, and the training that's going on with their civilian astronauts. And the chase jet, of course, taking pictures. Look at that.
And of course, this particular MiG-29 in 1989 was used for a variety of roles, including training. It was in service, in fact, of the Ukrainian Air Force at the time of the Soviet Union's dissolution. The fighter was then refurbished by Ukraine before being demilitarized and offers for sale on the international market in 2005.
Many of the passes, and that's fine because they come from away. And now the break to land as we start to recover the team. The older technology, of course, you see the smoke. Lots a little more.
Flies the power of those Klimov engines from the right. The MiG-29 Fulcrum B.
Now we'll get the MiG-29 back on the ground. Lining up, again, that older technology with the engines and the smoke did give away. You don't see that, which you're about to see coming up. Seriously, just still match. But still an impressive plane. Now he may deploy the chute. Here now you see
there's the chute.
They land, the Russian airplanes land very, very fast. You can hear the weight of it as it just rolls on by. And right about now is where you're going, brakes.
Pretty unique, Rick. I'm not sure I've had the chance to witness a MiG-29 in flight before.
This is your first time?
I think this is my first time seeing the
First time on a MiG-29. Well, I think you'll be impressed when you see the settings.
Very unique
Side flying. Well, straight at us here.
Tell us about it.
Well, Polaris is the mission, and you're going to get a chance to see this jet when it gets back on the ground and its crew, and the mission it's on. It's pretty spectacular. You see the space rocket, but it's all in the name of technology. But also coming in with them as we see their jets, again, led by the MiG-29. The Alphas now. Vertical speed. Polaris program. Business end of the jet, as the civilian astronauts trained and the others.